This powerful drink has been used for centuries, but most people don't realize its full potential. Here's why you should start drinking clove water today. 1. Clove water helps reduce bloating, gas, and promotes a healthy gut. 2. It reduces joint and muscle pain with its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. 3. Its antibacterial properties combat bad breath and promote gum health. 4. Rich in antioxidants. It strengthens your immune system and fights infections. 5. Drinking it before bed helps relax the mind and supports deep, restful sleep naturally. 6. Clove water supports balanced blood sugar levels, great for diabetes management. 7. Clove water acts as a powerful detox, helping to eliminate toxins, fight parasites, and cleanse your liver. 8. It can soothe coughs, clear airways from mucus, and support lung health. 9. It helps purify your skin, fight breakouts, and give you a natural glow. 10. Need an all-natural energy boost? Clove water fights fatigue and keeps you feeling refreshed all day. If nature didn't make it, don't take it.